Well, our very first cut ended up being catastrophic. I rarely get huge fractures like that. Looks like it's got some sweet bands. We'll check it out in just a second, but I want to say we're cutting open big Brazilian agates today. Hopefully that's the only one that fractures, but let's take a peek at this heartbreaker. Oh, it's got such pretty bands in there. You can see that these were already there, these big fractures, because of that different colors in the staining. That's so crazy. They're so pretty. It would have been glorious. Would have been so amazing. Yeah, you can see it running through up in here. Oh, so big. What a bummer. This one's not too bad. It seems like it's in decent shape, but beautiful, beautiful bands in that. Could have been great without those darn fractures. It happens. And obviously, you can see the fractures were there. Like I said before, it's got some of the staining in the fractures. Just is what it is. Can't control that part of it. But we're going to cut a couple smaller ones of the big ones here. Let's do these ones, and I'll show you after I cut each one. That is more like it. Beautiful cut on that bad boy. What a beautiful husk on this Brazilian agate nodule. Looks like we got some bands in there, maybe some good color in there. Let's check it out like this. Oh my gosh. It is glorious. Oh, and it's a geode agate. Oh my goodness. Look at that amazing agate right there. Beautiful water level bands, glorious red, white, and blue coloring, little crystals, beautiful quartz. This is a perfect agate. That is so special. How awesome is that? So far, this is my favorite agate of this cutting session. Oh my gosh, that is sweet. Oh, I love that so much. That is great. What a beauty. What a beauty. This one I'm having some issues with. That's why I didn't cut it first. I'm like, how do we cut this thing? It's like, you could cut it this way. It's kind of weird, awkward, and long, you know, but it's like just kind of a funky shape. I don't know. It's like, cut it that way. I want to get like maybe more of a full pattern like that. But golly, what do you do? I mean, we do got some bigger cuts, so maybe we'll just cut this one like that, and it'll be kind of interesting. If it's pretty, this would be a contender for slabs and stuff, but we'll cut it like that, and then we'll go from there. I know some people are going to be like, gotta do the long cut. Gosh, no, I want to do the long cut. We'll go right through here. We'll change our mind. We'll see if it's worth it, just like that. We got a little peek. What do we got? Do we got bands, or is it just a bunch of quartz? Are you guys ready? I'm just gonna peel it off. Let's see. Oh, oh, we made such a great call at the last second to change the cutting orientation. Oh my gosh. That is so gorgeous. Beautiful colors in this very bland looking nodule. Golly, I love it. It's like creamy with white. It almost looks like kind of a desert scene, doesn't it? Oh, that is so awesome. Holy moly. Oh, golly. Man, they make me smile ear to ear. It is so special. That is cool. Oh, what a win. We got 2 out of 3 that have been successful with no fracturing. I'm still heartbroken over that guy. We got 2 left. These big bad boys. I'm saving this funky looking thing for last. I'm hoping for water level bands and bands around the outside. I don't know why this looks so crazy, but that's what I'm hoping for with this cut. We will see. But I'm going to do this big bad boy next. I don't know what to expect. I think it's going to be kind of blue and white on the inside. That's my guess based off the husk. Like right there, you can see that. So let's go for a super big cut just like that. We'll line it up, get to see what's in there. Bentley. Bentley, my man. How's a good boy doing? Hi, bud. Hi, bud. Who's a good guy? Oh, yeah. There he is. There's the hairy guy. All right. I could just sit back up here. And I'll take a peek at this beast. It cut great. It was quicker than I thought, so I'm thinking maybe there's some quartz in there? For this size, it was pretty good. But you don't know. Let's see. Hopefully there's lots of bands. Oh, my gosh. There is quartz, but it's just perfect. Look at that. Beautiful water level bands down here. Floater. Oh my gosh. Beautiful how the quartz comes in here. Like, it's like, is that a massive flow channel right in there? White and yellow, little tinges of orange. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. You see this stuff right in here? Those are called surface fractures. It's from the heat from the blade while it's cutting. Get that on a flat lap, you know, for this size of stuff. You work it right out. Easy. Get those beautiful polishes. Oh my gosh. How awesome is that? I think it's a tie between this one. Golly, I can't even. Of the 3 good ones we've had, they're all equally beautiful to me. That is so special. Woo, that is sweet. Our last one, you guys. This guy right here. I'm very excited about this one. I have high hopes. We're gonna cut it right in through there, and I'm hoping, based on the exterior, we got water level bands and like kind of other bands around the outside. So I don't know, we'll see. Oh, I'm nervous, very excited. All right, let's take a peek at this bad boy right here. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful husk on this. It was just like cracking like an egg right here. Oh, it's so interesting, so weird. Let's see if the theory was right. Water level bands surrounded by more bands. Let's do it. Oh, it was right. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is one of the most beautiful and band-packed Brazilian agates I've ever seen. Holy moly, are you kidding me? Bands galore. What a beautiful Brazilian agate. Honestly, I don't know if I've seen a more beautiful Brazilian agate. This may be the best. Oh my gosh, so many water level bands. Holy moly. And then, yeah, it just, oh, it's just a little itty bitty pocket. Can you see it? Just not hardly anything, but gorgeous bands around the outside. Oh my gosh. Spectacular. Absolutely perfection. Absolute perfection in that agate. It's got like 2 layers of water level agates. Oh, holy moly. I'm like getting lightheaded. This is just phenomenal. Oh boy. How can you not love this, you know? It's just the best. Agates are the best mineral in the world. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Well, our first agate was a total heartbreaker. Our second agate was a grade A stud muffin. Third was a beaut. Holy moly, those bands are great. Our fourth was phenomenal. So pretty. Love that quartz and the water level bands, of course. And number 5 was a, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me kind of agate. This is a top shelf premium Brazilian agate. This is a keeper for sure. Once it's polished, it's gonna make its way up on the shelf over there. What a stunner. Golly, that was fun, you guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. If you did, hit that like button, share this video with your agate loving friends, and we'll see you next time. Bye.